Can pet hair clog my HVAC system? Yes, pet hair can absolutely clog your heating and cooling system, especially the air filter, the return vents, and even the blower motor if it is allowed to build up over time. Think of your heating and cooling system like the lungs of your house, constantly breathing air in and out through vents and ducts. When you have a furry pet, tiny hairs get pulled into the return vents along with dust and pet dander every single time the system runs. Over weeks and months, that hair mixes with moisture and dust to form a thick, felt-like layer on the filter that most people never notice until airflow feels weak. Something a lot of folks do not realize is that this buildup does not just clog the filter, it can also coat the blower wheel inside the unit, causing it to become unbalanced, noisy, and less efficient. That extra strain forces the system to work harder, which quietly raises your energy bill each month. A simple, actionable habit is to check your filter every 3 to 4 weeks if you have pets, instead of waiting the usual couple of months most people assume is fine. Brushing or grooming your pet regularly also cuts down dramatically on the amount of hair floating around your home and entering the system in the first place. One common mistake people make is assuming a thicker or higher rated filter automatically works better, when in reality, a filter that is too restrictive for your system can choke airflow and stress the blower motor even faster, so it is smarter to use the filter type your manufacturer actually recommends. Another misconception is thinking that closing vents in rooms you do not use saves energy, but this actually increases pressure in the ductwork and can push hair and dust into gaps and leaks you cannot see. A less obvious issue is forgetting to have your vents and ducts professionally cleaned every so often, since hair can settle deep inside them long before it ever reaches the filter, so scheduling a duct inspection once a year is a smart way to catch problems early. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.